Welcome to the Virtual Training Company's PHP title. My name is Joshua Mustafa, and I'm going to be taking you from absolute beginner level, where you know no PHP at all, to the point where you're creating your own dynamic, data-driven websites. In this chapter, we're just going to look at the concepts, the basic concepts that you need to know before we start working with PHP. First of all, we're going to look at what the dynamic web is and how it's different from any other kind of web technology. And we're going to look at the data flow of a typical dynamic website. We're going to have a broad look at the different tools you're going to need, both in terms of the software and the knowledge that I expect you to have before you start learning PHP. We're going to take a look at the difference between scripting and viewing in the browser. And finally, we're going to get you started with your first script.